So how much is the phone?
39,000.
Sorry, I mean the price for the phone.
39,000 naira.
Are you serious or you're joking?
I'm serious.
Wait, cut this part out. I hope this part is not recorded. Okay. So hi, welcome to my. Are you serious about that price? Whoa. 39,000 naira. With 39,000 naira, I can get a brand new phone. Wow. Hi, welcome to my YouTube page where I review anything that's technologically driven. So, today, this is the first time I'm reviewing an Itel phone. As I got the phone, I was wondering, okay, what should I talk about? And I'm just getting the price now, and it's 39,000 naira. That's roughly $90. Like $90, you get a brand new phone in 2020. Wow, that's unbelievable. It's $90, like $90. So, what does the phone have? It has a fingerprint, a face recognition, 4,000 mAh. Well, this is amazing. So, when you hear Itel, you know they are budget devices and they target the low class. But you'll be surprised at the amazing things that come with an Itel phone. Here's my review of Itel A58. So, in the box here, you have a charger, the earpiece, and it even has a pouch, all free. Like, you don't have to pay a dime, just pay $90, like $90, 9 and 0. It's amazing. So let me not get ahead of myself. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the unboxing.
So here's the pack of the A58 Itel device, more than bigger. By the side is the Itel family, the other product that Itel produces. At the back here, you can see the spreadsheet of the features, the 6.6 HD screen, the dual camera, quad core, the 1 gig, 16 gig ROM, and the 4,000 mAh. It also has a fingerprint scanner and a face ID. That's quite impressive for a device that is just 39,000 naira. So you also have some bonuses from some networks when you purchase the device. So let's open up the device and see what exactly to expect inside. So as you can see, you open up the device from this side, which is quite unusual. You are greeted with the A58 at the top of the box. So let's put that aside and open the underground to see what other things are inside the package. The first thing here is the transparent pouch. This is quite different from the regular one that is flexible. This one is not flexible, it's hard case. So that aside, then we have some things in the wrapper here. Let's open it up. So in here is an earpiece. Wow, that's a complete wired earpiece. Also here we have the micro USB. We have the power brick here with the Itel branding on it, and that's all. There's nothing more in the case. You have the A58 branding on the top. Let's peel that away. So on the external part of the device, at the back you have the 2 cameras and the flashlight, and you have the fingerprint and the Itel branding below. It has this gradient look. At the right hand side you have nothing. At the top you have the microphone jack 3.5 mm. At the left hand side you have the volume rockers and the power button. Then below the device you have the USB and the microphone. It's a micro USB, like I said earlier. This device you have to open the back to insert the SIM. It has the speaker at the back, not underneath the device. So I think that's all on the external part. So let's power on the device and see what the Itel interface looks like. As you can see all the features there. So it has the screen, just the same information that you saw on the pack. That's exactly what you are seeing here. The scrolling is a bit slow and the response is quite slow. I think just because it's 1 gig RAM and 16 gig ROM, so you don't get this smooth usage like the regular RAM devices, but still fair. As you can see, the response time is a bit slow. So let's go to the camera. The video quality is HD, that's 720p. Let's take some pictures with it. It takes a while to process images too, and just like I said earlier, the response time is a bit slow, but the colors are not that bad, still manageable. As you can see, the colors pop. So this feature, once I apply it, I press the screen down and it shows the old picture and the new picture when I press it down, so I can see the difference before and after the edit. The menu is just like pretty much the normal menu we are used to. It has only just back flashlight, no front flash. So if you want to take pictures in the night, it will probably use the screen to brighten up the picture. So let's put on the back pouch. See how nice the back protection looks on the device. So let's set up the fingerprint and see how fast it's working. I've set it up, so let's lock the device and see how fast. Not bad. It's a bit slow, it's a fraction of a second slower than the regular ones. I've reviewed devices that are way faster, but still able to use your fingerprints, it still does the magic, and it's just at the right spot where it will reach your hand, and it's not like you're stretching your fingers to get to the spot. It gets there pretty fast.
So you've seen the device. I think the only downside to it, apart from the little lags here and there, is the fact that it is 1 gig and 16 gig or 2. But ideally, when I contacted Itel, they told me it's an entry-level device, so it's basically for not heavy users, just people that rarely use their device, probably for calls, WhatsApp, and Facebook, not people that use their phone for heavy gaming and stuff. So that's why the price is at that price, and it's quite affordable. So it's something that if you are on a budget and you are not a heavy phone person, so you don't buy this phone and say, I saw the review and I thought it was going to be fast. You can compare it to you can't compare it to like a phone of $400 and above. So it's real value for money. It's a phone that if you are on a real tight budget, and you still get real value for money. You don't have to spend an extra cost after getting the phone. So thanks for viewing the channel. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that you join the new elite of intelligent people. So please subscribe to my channel so that I can do more content like this. Thanks very much. Till I see you next time. Peace.